Hi guys, welcome to this video on the chain rule. The chain rule is solely concerned with functions of functions. So for instance, f of gx, this might be like sine of x squared, for instance. We've found sine of x, but how do I find sine of x squared? How do I derive that? How do I find a gradient function of that? And that's all the chain rule is concerned with. And what you're going to learn is that if I have dy dx, I want to find dy dx. Then what I can do is I can write dy here, I can write dx here, and I want something that's going to cancel out. It's going to leave me as dy dx. And what we're going to do is we're going to write du, and I'm going to show you why we use du. So we're going to get this, the du's cancel, leaving us with dy dx. Now what I can say is that u is g of x. I can then find du dx. And likewise, what I was talking about last time, we can use any letter. Now that's just going to be g prime of x. Now y equals f of u, which means if I want to find dy du, can't find dy dx, I've got a u in here. This means with respect to u, I'm going to have f prime of u. And what I can do is I can now input these values. This is here, this is here. So dy dx is going to equal, we're going to have f prime of x, or f prime of u, but f prime of u is just f prime of g of x, just replacing with what u is, and du dx is just g prime of x. And basically all the chain rule is the derivative of what's inside multiplied by the derivative of what's of the outside, and then we're just putting the original inside back in. In the next video we'll go through some examples of this. Thanks for watching.